థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. నేను మీ శ్రవణ్ కుమార్. ఇవాళ మీరందరూ వచ్చి ఆతిథ్యం మాకు ఇలా ఈ పర్టిక్యులర్ ఎలనార్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఫ్యాషన్ వీక్లో నారీ నారాయణి అని మేము ఉమెన్ని ఎలివేట్ చేసేసి వాళ్ళ శానిటరీ హెల్త్ కోసం కష్టపడి 8 పర్టిక్యులర్ స్కూల్స్కి రిక్వైర్డ్ స్టఫ్ ఫ్రమ్ నారీ వెల్నెస్ సెంటర్ విచ్ ఆర్ రీయూజబుల్ sanitary pads ఇస్తున్నాం, which is very very important for us and which is very I think so మీరు అందరూ వచ్చినందుకు చాలా కృతజ్ఞతలు, which is very important. And this show is not only going to showcase the wellness of a woman. Miss Manjula Anagani is going to be there. She's going to be talking about, she's going to be walking the show. Else except the supermodels of India, there are Navaratnas who is going to be walking here. The women who have really held up the whole world on a different tangent level. ఇప్పుడు మాకు న్యూస్ వచ్చింది that Shreya Saran also is going to be a part of it. There are a lot of stars and real life stars who are going to be part of it, like Anmol Narang, Lena Joseph, who's worked with Nandi Foundation, and a lot of others. There are a lot of other people like Priyanka is going to be a part of it. There are so many big wigs who are going to be a part of it, who are supporting the cause. Like as Manjula Anagani and other doctors have said, that once we start the organization, every celebrity is going to be a part of it, going to take care of all the women's schools, which requires a lot of attention, a regular checkup for them by a gynecologist and a lot of others. So this particular collection of mine is called Nari Narayani. దీనిలో మేము బేసికలీ మూడ్ స్వింగ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఉమెన్ చూపిస్తామండి. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఓ వృధు ఓ 80-90 ఏజ్ వరకు వచ్చే వరకు చేంజెస్ ఇన్ ఉమెన్, వాట్ ఆ శక్తి ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఆ శక్తిని ఎలా, ఇట్స్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ నోయింగ్ హౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద సబ్స్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ అ ఉమెన్, బికాస్ వెన్ యూ స్పెల్ ఉమెన్ there is a man in it. My team today, I work with only women's team. If you might have seen earlier, all of them are total women, and we are really proud to be a part of it. And today, I don't consider women as a weaker sex or they need minority. They are majority. They are much prettier and bigger. And I bow my head down and consider them as Shakti. And we are very happy to be a part of the Eleanor group. I'm thankful to Shravanti, Mokshagna, and Nirupama, who are taking it forward, being very young, who have completed their educations in international universities, coming forward to come and do an event which is of this genre at Park Hyatt. On the 17th, Mirandar Ravali, Inka, there is a lot to achieve and understand in this show.
December 7th, Park Hyatt lo మేము ఫ్యాషన్ షో 17th పార్క్ హయాత్లో మేము ఫ్యాషన్ షో చేస్తున్నాము. రీయూజబుల్ శానిటరీ ప్యాడ్స్ గురించి కాజ్ కోసం చేస్తున్నాము. లైక్ వేర్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ స్కూల్స్, లైక్ గవర్నమెంట్ స్కూల్స్లో విలేజ్లో ఉన్న పిల్లలకు ప్యాడ్స్ ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలి, అది రీయూజబుల్ ఎలా చేయాలో తెలియదు. సో వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గో టు ద స్కూల్స్ అండ్ మేము చెప్పాలనుకుంటున్నాము గవర్నమెంట్ స్కూల్స్కి వెళ్ళి వీ వాంట్ టు స్ప్రెడ్ దట్ వర్డ్. సో ఇదేది కమర్షియల్గా చేయట్లేదు, జస్ట్ టు సపోర్ట్ ద ఉమెన్ అండ్ ఫర్ ద కాజ్ వీఆర్ డూయింగ్ దిస్. ప్లీజ్ సపోర్ట్ అస్ అండ్ వీఆర్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు స్టాప్ హియర్. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చే మంత్స్లో కూడా వీఆర్ ప్లానింగ్ డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్ ఫర్ డిఫరెంట్ కాజెస్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ షో అబౌట్. సో December 7th మీరు అందరు రావాలి, 17th మీరు అందరు రావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. పార్క్ హయాత్లో ఈవినింగ్ 7 o'clock. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Hi everyone, I am Anju Arora. I am the founder of Nari Women Wellness Initiative. So Nari is a not-for-profit organization and we've been working in space of sustainable menstrual health for over 8 years now. We distribute period care kits among girls and women at grassroots, and we also, along with distributing period care kits, we also provide employment opportunities to women at grassroots. So they sell these period care kits and they generate livelihood out of it, and we are doing that with help of funding, and we make these kits available to girls and women with help of fundings from our community, from our society, from the corporate organizations. So this is what we do. We have so with as part of this platform, what we'll be doing is we will be distributing period care kits to girls in the schools, and the objective of this is to be able to help them use reusable sanitary napkins, which are not just sustainable options of managing menstruation, but they are also very convenient to use and helpful for their health and their bodies, because they will not be exposing their bodies to the harmful chemicals of disposable pads. That is how they will be safeguarding their health, and at the same time they will also be safeguarding environment. So yeah, that's it. So the initiative starts, and we would be helping them to make use of these cloth pads, which last for at least 2 to 3 years. As a menstrual health expert, and somebody who's been taking workshops on menstrual health for over 8 years, I understand that a woman's menstrual cycle is divided into 4 phases. A follicular phase, and ovulation phase, and luteal phase, and then menstrual phase. So these 4 phases, and basis, so every phase brings with it its own energies, its own strengths, its own positivities in a woman in a cycle. And this fashion show is going to be demonstrating those strengths with help of the dresses, with help of the outfits that have been designed as per each phase of the menstrual cycle, depicting its own strength. So that is what we are aiming to do as well.
Yeah. So hi Andy, this is Moksha, one of the co-founders of Eleanor International. అయితే when we first started, మేము ఈ కాజ్ కోసం చేద్దాము అనుకున్నప్పుడు we thought we'll do it in a way that జనాల్లోకి వెళ్తుంది అని చెప్పి ఎడ్యుకేట్ చేయడం కోసము కొంచెం ఇన్నోవేటివ్గా we chose fashion because ఇప్పుడు ట్రెండ్ అవుతుంది, that is how we need to take it to people కాబట్టి. The first time we went to Shravan Kumar, like he's one of the best in the industry. So athan దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు when you're doing it for a cause, he said one thing. He said that Hyderabad should only keep shining and not lose any pearls, because it is the city of pearls. So that one thing which Shravan told us have driven us this far, and people from all over the country, designers from all over the country, models from all over the country, and women from all over the country across any categories are coming, walking for us, talking for the cause. And this change is going to start on 17th of December from 7 p.m. See you there.